In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Sites URL in just about 5 minutes. This might seem like a small task, but it's an important step in personalizing and branding your site, ensuring it aligns with your project identity or organization goals. So let's dive straight in. First things first, you'll need to sign in to Google Sites. Head over to the Google Sites homepage. You'll be prompted to sign in if you aren't already. Just click on Sign In. Enter your email address, hit next, then type in your password and click on sign in once again. This process might be a little too familiar if you're used to the Google ecosystem, but it's always the first step in modifying anything in your Google account. Once you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to your Google site. If you've got multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one you wish to change the URL for. The Google Sites dashboard is pretty intuitive, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding your way. Now for the crucial part, changing your site's web address, look for the Publish button, which should be visible at the top right corner of the screen. Next to it, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click on it and then select Publish Settings. From the drop-down menu, this is where the magic happens. In the Publish Settings, you'll see your current web address. Here's where you can change it to whatever you want. Assuming it's available, of course, so just click on the web address field and type in your new preferred URL. Take a moment to think about SEO and branding implications. Your URL is an important aspect of how users find and perceive your site. Once you're happy with the new URL you've entered, simply click on Save. That's it. Your site will now be accessible via the new URL you just set. Keep in mind, it might take some time for the changes to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't work immediately. A couple of things to note. Changing your URL can affect SEO and how people find your site. If your site has been around for a while, make sure to update any links out there pointing to the old URL. You might also want to inform your audience about the change to avoid any confusion. And there you have it, a quick, straightforward guide on how to change your Google Sites URL. Whether you're rebranding or just setting up your site for the first time, knowing how to make this change is a useful skill. Remember, the URL is often the first impression people have of your site, so make it count. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your Google site just a little bit easier.